Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to fix no valid sound devices connected. Open your internet browser and search for DirectX June 2010. Make sure to download it from Microsoft official website. Click Download. Don't download anything else, just DirectX. Click No Thanks and continue. Once the download finish, create new folder on desktop. Name it anything. I'll call it DX June 2010. Now, click on the downloaded software. Click Yes. Select the folder you've just created on the desktop. Click OK. Open the folder and search for DX Setup. Run it. Accept the agreement. Click Next. Next. Click Finish. That's all. I hope it was easy to follow and helpful. Thanks for watching.